name's Barb Krzelik. I had a total knee replacement 6 weeks ago. I was walking without a cane within a week. I've been doing lots of therapy. I can go up and down steps every day.
How many steps?
13 steps a day.
How long have you been doing that?
I've been doing that probably 3 weeks.
Okay, so since she's been 3 weeks out from surgery, she's been able to do 13 steps. What about going for walks, things like that?
I've been going for a walk almost every day when it's nice. When it's cold, I stay home. But if I'm not outside walking, I constantly get up and walk in my house like every hour or so, just to keep moving. I ice I ice. In the beginning, I iced probably every hour. Now it's every couple hours. And I just exercise my knee as often as I can.
Okay, excellent.
I'm very happy with Dr. Matt, and I've got good care.
So what are your thoughts about staying at Penn Highlands Du Bois for a total knee replacement versus going to maybe State College or Pittsburgh?
I would definitely stay here. I wouldn't even think about going anywhere else. I would stay right at Penn Highlands.